Today, we're testing Cata-Kor NAD+, a supplement claiming to improve energy, focus, and overall wellness by boosting NAD+ levels. NAD+ is essential for cellular function, but supplements can vary widely in effectiveness. With Cata-Kor, we felt a gradual improvement in alertness and recovery. The formula is straightforward, and the capsules are easy to take daily. Pros: it supports healthy cellular energy. The capsules are small and convenient, and we didn't notice any harsh side effects. Cons: the effects are subtle and may not be noticeable for everyone. The cost is higher than alternatives, and potential side effects like mild headaches or digestive upset can occur if overdosed. Overall, Cata-Kor NAD Plus is a decent supplement for cellular support, but it's important to manage expectations and understand that results aren't instant. This has been How to Literally Keeping Smart and Simple and Scam Free.